Hi, it's Mr. Nelson. This is video 12.1. We're going to be looking at solutions to an equation. So, I hope that y'all are ready, and I'm really excited to teach this lesson to you guys. So, let's go ahead and get started here. Alright, now, this first equation. Remember, with an equation, we talked about this in class. The expression on the left side and the expression on the other side of the equal sign have to be equivalent. So, what we're going to do, a solution to an equation, is what can n be that will make the right side and the left side, these two expressions, equal or balanced to each other. So let's try and see if the solution for this equation is n equals negative 10. So all we're going to do is substitute in and see. Here, I was told that my hand gets in the way. So.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Looking out for you.
Thanks, guys. Okay, so if we take negative 10 and we add 6 to it, we get negative 4. And let's face it, negative 4 and negative 5 are not equal to each other. Alright, so this one right here is not a solution. Not a solution. Okay. Let's see if in this situation x equals 15 is a solution. So I put in 15. Add 9. Alright, 15 plus 9 is 24. And 24 does not equal 15. Alright, so this is not a solution. Not. Alright, now we've got 3/4 equals z plus 1/2. And we're going to see if the solution to this equation is z equals 3/12. So we just sub in. We've got 3/4 equals, instead of z, we're going to write 3/12 plus 1/2. Alright, now in order to get to add fractions together, the denominators have to be the same, and then we can add the numerators. 2, we can go ahead and rewrite the denominator 2 as 12. So let's go ahead and 3/12 plus. Now, how can we get 1/2 to 12? To 12. Well, we're going to multiply by 6. So, multiply that times 6. So that's 6/12. Okay, 6/12 is equivalent to 1/2. Now, we just add the numerators. 3 plus 6 is 9. 12ths. Alright, and 9/12 can be simplified by a factor of 3. That is 3/4. And 3/4 is equivalent to 3/4. So, z equals 3/12 is actually a solution. So, we're going to say yes, that is a solution. Google Doc question 1. Alright, so here's a question right here. Pause the video. It's your turn now. You're going to determine for which of the following is d equals 7 a solution. Is it A, B, C, or D? So pause the video and try it now. Alright. And you'll just go in on the Google Doc and you'll submit for Google. It'll say on Google Doc, it'll say question 1, and you'll just put A, B, C, or D, whichever one you think is the right answer. So make sure you do your work on the notes, but save your answer. Okay. All right. So we're going to substitute in for y here. We're at 18 minus 6, and we're going to see if that equals 24. So 18 minus 6, that's going to equal 12. 12 does not equal 24. Alright, so is y a solution? No. Y equals 18 is not a solution for this equation. Okay, let's go ahead and substitute in for v. So we got negative 15. And is that expression balanced with the expression of negative 6 minus 9? Okay, Okay, so we're going to change this to plus the opposite of 9. Like that. And when we add two negatives together, they combine, we keep the sign. Alright, so yes, that does balance the equation. They're equal on both sides. So V is a solution. V equals 9 is a solution. Yes, that is a solution. Okay. Now, is G equals 1/4 the solution for this equation? Here we go. 2/3 minus 1/4. Does that equal 5/12? Okay, so we have to come up with the common denominator. In this case, it will be 12. Alright, so 2/3, if we multiply both of these by 4, we get 8/12 minus, now we multiply this one by 3, that's 3/12. Okay, so 8 take away 3 is 5/12. And so yes, G equals 1/4 is the solution to this equation right here. Google Doc question number 2. Go ahead and pause the video and determine when x equals -7 is the solution. For which one of these expressions or equations would this be a solution? And then you're going to put that in the Google Doc at the end of the video. Alright, let's see if t equals 9 is a solution. So now we have 8 times 9. Alright, 8 times 9 is 72, which equals 72. So t equals 9 is a solution for this equation. Alright, -16 equals -4 times w. Let's see if w equals 4 is a solution. -16 equals -4 times 4. Alright, -4 times 4 is -16. Looks like this side and this side are equivalent. Okay, so yes, w equals 4 is the solution for this equation. Alright, 2/5 times y equals 7. Let's see if y equals 20 is a solution here. Alright, now remember, when we multiply with fractions, we have to turn all whole numbers and all mixed numbers into improper fractions. That's a really simple step. So 20 is just going to be the whole number over 1. Okay, now we can cross simplify here. 5 and 20 share a common factor of 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. Okay, and so what we end up with is 2 times 4. So top times top is 8. And bottom times bottom is 1, which equals 8. Alright, and 8 does not equal 7. So y equals 20 is not a solution. No, not a solution to this equation. Alright, here's Google Doc question 3. Go ahead and pause the video, show your work in the workspace, and then you're going to transfer your answer to the Google Doc. Alright, y equals 5. Is that a solution to this equation? So 5 divided by 7. Does that equal 6? And 5/7 does not equal 6. So the answer is no. No, it does not. Okay. Oh! What does this mean? If you type this into your comment section, I will give you bonus points under Google Doc. 5 extra bonus points for typing in RED, red, into the comment section. Thanks for watching the video and paying attention. Exactly how it is. RED. Okay. Let's go ahead and check and see. G equals -6. Is that a solution? Okay. I've got 24 divided by -6. 6 will go into 24 4 times, and I'm dividing by a negative, so it's -4 equals -4. That is a solution. So yes. Remember, this is just saying top dog goes in the house. So if you need to work this one out, if you can't do this mentally, 24 goes in the house. You put 6 on the outside here, and 6 goes in there 4 times. Alright, and it'll be negative because a positive divided by a negative is a negative. Remember our division and multiplication triangle. Okay. Alright. Let's see if x equals 1.5 is the solution here. 6 divided by 1.5 equals 4. Alright, now this one's 6 divided by 1.5. I am going to have to put this in the house and solve it. So I'm going to come over here. 6 in the house. 1.5 is my divisor. I've got to turn this into a whole number. So I move the decimal over 1 to make 15, which means I have to do the same thing for the dividend to keep it balanced and equivalent. So I'm going to add my little 0 there, and that's 60. Okay? So 15 will not go into 6, but 15 will go into 60 4 times. 4 times 5. 4 times 1 plus 2 is 6. No remainder. So 6 divided by 1.5 is 4. 4 equals 4. So x equals 1.5 is the solution to this equation. Yes. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, and here are your last 2 Google Doc questions. Question 4 and question 5. Pause the video, show your work, then transfer all your answers over, bring your notes to class, and have a splendid day.